Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Yesterday I have shown you that I withdrawn 5000 berry, and here we go once again. I'll check through dashboard first, then I will show in my run-in wallet. This is exchange and withdraw to wallet. No, this was not needed actually. Anyhow, I'm re-authenticating so they can check that this is my wallet, and this is, well, you can see the balance. Withdrawal completed 10 hours ago. The withdrawal has been completed, that is 4700 berry, and you can check in my run-in wallet that I have received 4700 berry, and the good news is the berry price has increased 1%. Though it is very less, but still it's increasing. That's a good news. And run-in price is increasing a lot because it has crossed $3. Now the point is how you can withdraw, and if you are not enabled to withdraw, then what you can do, you need to check this trust code first. The Pixels authority has changed the withdrawal request or withdrawal operations to be enabled if you are more than 2000 trust code. So how you can check your trust code? First you can check here. This is the help pixel.xyz. What they are saying, how I can increase my score. Do the one time action. Most of this can be done via dashboard. Listen it carefully because it's important, but it's easy. So you have to do this at least once. You have to do it through dashboard. Example, these actions: connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, and connect your email or phone number. If you have both, you can do this. You may not do this both. Okay, these are the most necessary things. And apart from that, complete in-game quest. For example, how complete flower powder, complete wine not popberry, and complete wine not butter brew. Geo's fishing quest and complete Fuigueri barbecue quest up to the last quest. This is a tough one. Tough one means it will take lots of uh, berry. Actually it was taking at around 30,000 berry, but recently I was checking in Discord that few person can be they are doing this job for you with 500 berries, but you have to escrow 10,000 berry collateral. That's a different issue. You can check it in the dashboard, but these are the things you can do. And one docs they have published already, that what are the points system and pixel reputation score January 3 2023. It's a public document, you can check it anytime. So how you can get 2000 threshold? Okay, 2000 threshold to get enable your withdrawal permission. So first, if you do this action, connect Twitter 20, connect Discord 200, connect email 5, and connect phone number 50. That means you are getting more than 300. And if you get that VIP, if you buy that VIP, that is 1500 already, with already you have earned. So that means 1805 is the score. Now it's still 195 less than the 2000 threshold. So what you can do, you check this. Why not popberry is not so hard you can do it, but very easy is flower powder. It's very easy. You just harvest rainbow and do it. And one thing I have searched for you, that is this one. Okay, pixeldata.xyz/quest. You can come here and check the quest. The videos are available, so you can watch these videos from here and you can follow the steps to fulfill those quests. And if we come to this calculate this, then it will be done very quickly. And zero point 0.2 is multiplier for account old age days, so this will not be very high value, because if you are even 1 year old, then also it will not going to give you much higher value, right? But you have to 195 deficit. So if you can make this geo sex break 150, it's very easy, because you are having a VIP membership, so you can buy the milkshake from VIP market, and whatever required you can buy it from the market and fulfill this geos sec break very easily. So you can do it, and apart from that you can do any of these or both of these. So easily you can cross 2000 points and you can enable your withdrawal power. So that's all, my friends. And one thing you must know, that withdrawal is permissible right now, but you cannot withdraw within 3 days. Okay, fetching wallet balance, you can see they can fetch. My wallet balance is 4700. If I want to withdraw to wallet, if I click this, please do not rejoin the game while initiating withdrawal. It may take up to 72 hours. Okay, okay. That means tokens to be transferred, but you can continue playing the game during the time. Okay, okay. I was wrong, because I was thinking that you cannot withdraw within 72 hours, but it's possible to withdraw every day if you are having VIP and if your score task score is more than 2000. So it's easy, but remember, minimum withdrawal amount is 5000 and maximum is 5 lakh. So I am not going to withdraw any more right now, because I am aiming to buy this one. And yesterday I bought, I withdrawn 4700. That means it was around $2.8. According to today's price, it's around $2.8. So it's easy if you can withdraw every day, but remember that every time you are withdrawing, you are losing 300 berry as a fees. So better not try to withdraw every day. Better if you are willing to withdraw, if you are having that berry VIP membership, then you may withdraw once in a week, or maybe twice in a month. That will be best choice for you, so that you can save your berry. If you are withdrawing, oh, it's not the scenario. If i if i withdraw every day, then I have to pay 300 for 5000 berry. If I withdraw once the whole amount, then I have to pay accordingly. So the berry I have to pay depends on the withdrawal percentage. And there was one thing, that advantage of, what are the benefits of having a high score. Let's read it. Higher trade limit, higher withdrawal limit, use of the in-game marketplace, and possible of future rewards. What happens if I have a low score? Low or zero trade limit, low or zero withdrawal limit, no access to in-game marketplace. That's true. You cannot access that VIP market if you are not having that reputation score. So that's all, my friends. Hope you got to know that what is the requirement and how you can fulfill it with some time, and it will not take that much effort. Basically it will take a bit effort, but you have to do it in 1 day or 2 days, and you can have the score up to 2000 threshold, and it will be easy for you to get that withdrawal button enabled for you. Thanks all. So I'm signing off right now. See you soon.